2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday.
Oh, wow.
This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Blunt, Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 271 has been issued until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Blunt, Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. The current time is 6:47.
Oh, there it is. It scared me while I was trying to sleep. Oh. There it is. Right here. Issued for my county. Just woke me up because I had a little headache. There you go.